You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Using a pry bar, remove the headlight protective cover. Remove the two holding screws on the outside of the light using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T20 Torx socket. Pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Remove the bulb support plate by pushing on the retaining tabs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew it with a quarter turn.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Put the plastic cover back. To replace the light bulb in the tailgate, unclip the plastic cover. Take the bulb board and make a rotation anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the plastic cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.